So as a TikToker with 1.7 million followers, everyone always asks me like, yo, Gino, are you rich? Like, I don't know, like, they always think like I'm like really, really rich. And you know what I always tell them? No, I'm super broke and I've been wearing the same underwear for 3 weeks. But after 3 long years of grinding social media, posting every single day, always wondering like, you know, what should I post? I won the lottery, baby, and bought a car. Ah! My brand new Lamborghini. What the frick is this? Psych, your boy got a Corvette. Let's go take it for a drive. Yes, sir, baby.